Today we're going to take a look at this little assembly right here. This is a captive bearing or a captive shaft, depending on how you want to consider it. It works both ways. Made out of some pretty basic parts here. Keep track of these bearings. Something that anybody should be able to make for a couple dollars at your local hardware store. And this lets you get started if you need a shaft for a rotor or something that you're going to mount somewhere. Now I have enough parts here to make 2 casings and really one complete assembly at the moment. This is a 1 1/4 inch PVC ring right here, cut to match the length of this fitting, or approximately. Looks like this one's a little short. It's not important. It also goes with 2 of these end caps, 4 bushings, and 20 bearings to make the assembly that I just showed you. Works around a shaft like this. Here's your 1/2 inch connector. Here's the shaft. So to get started putting this together, I'm going to slide 2 bushings on each end of this shaft. Actually, we'll start with one side. I'll take this. We'll fill this side with the bearings. So what I've just done is drop 10 3/8 chrome ball bearings into this 1 1/4 inch smooth PVC end cap in between 2 machine bushings, 7/8 by 1 1/4 perhaps. I don't remember the exact diameter offhand. I'm going to take this ring and just slide it down in here. That traps those bushings and those bearings by the pipe, so I've got an assembly right here that will spin under its own weight. To do the double-sided assembly, I'll put the other bushings on now. I'll leave a little gap in there to drop the other 10 bearings in. Once that's done, I can slide this closed. And I've got a captive bearing that I can mount, used to run motion through this shaft, or I can mount the shaft and allow something to spin on the bearing. This is not good for radial loads. Vibration quickly stops this from spinning in either direction. This is really an axial load bearing assembly.